Loading bar animation tutorial. Let's begin. First, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the screen. Now double click the layer to open its properties. Center the rectangle and set the corner radius to 50. Next, duplicate the layer. In the second layer's properties, uncheck fill and enable stroke. Slightly increase the height and width to create the outline. Now go to Effects panel and search for crop. Drag and drop the crop effect onto the first layer. Add a keyframe at the beginning and increase the right crop value until the bar becomes invisible. Move a few frames forward, then set the right value to 0 to make the bar fully visible. Select the first keyframe and apply ease out, and select the last keyframe and apply ease in for smooth animation. Now select the type tool and type loading. Center the text and place it inside the loading bar. Duplicate the loading text layer, go to Effects, search for Gaussian blur and apply it to bottom loading text layer. Set the blur value to 90. Make sure the loading text is placed below the Gaussian blur effect in the effect controls, and that's it. Enjoy your loading bar animation.